You're probably wondering what this is or what's inside. Well, this is the work of a humble man who braves the strong tides of the sea to make a living and bring food to his daughter. What they do with this boat is carry large fishing nets and, as a team, cast them into the sea. They have to repeat this process several times a day, hoping to catch some crustaceans. Otherwise, they'll return home empty-handed. However, during one of the casts, one of the nets feels unusually heavy. When they pull it up, they discover they've caught a big prize. Along with the shrimp, they've also caught a variety of fish and other seafood, including octopus, crabs, and other species. But the best of all are these fish, which are highly valued in the market. The fishermen are pleased with the results and hope for good catches in the future in this spot so they can improve their families' lives. However, not many people liked their video.